Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your portfolio makes about 85% of what it should. Not weather or equipment, but three invisible losses hiding now. Inverter degradation you can't see, performance ratio errors, thermal anomalies nobody analyzes. Together, worth 15% of annual revenue. For 50 midoru, 750k yearly. Inverter efficiency isn't constant, degrades with age, temperature, hours. System reports one number, 97% efficiency. That's average, it's drifting. Performance ratio looks stable month to month because measuring against 5-year-old weather data. Benchmark shifted, thermal anomalies are silent killers. String running 15 degrees Celsius hotter isn't major alarm, goes unflagged. Over year, 6% production loss. Thinking, my O&M team monitors metrics. We have alerts. Do you? Most teams alert on binary failures, inverter down, communication lost, string disconnected, not alerting on slow degradation, requires continuous statistical analysis. Most systems don't do that. Loss 1. Track hourly efficiency curves adjusted for temperature and load. 0.5% efficiency drop month over month. Something's degrading. Predict failure. Loss 2. Use real-time irradiance, soiling, temperature from your site, not 5-year-old models. Drop below 98%? Know within hours if data or operations. Loss 3. Monitor string level temperatures. String consistently, 10 to 15 degrees or hotter. Escalate as cell degradation. Fix before it becomes 6% loss. 3 invisible losses. Inverter degradation, performance errors, thermal anomalies. Solution is continuous statistical monitoring, not threshold-based alerts. That 15% revenue loss in your data now. Don't see it because looking at aggregated dashboards, not degradation curves. But we can find it. Schedule free revenue leakage assessment. In 45 minutes, calculate true inverter efficiency degradation rates, quantify performance ratio gap versus real benchmark, map thermal anomalies across portfolio, estimate annual recovery potential. 15 mi double up portfolio typically uncovers 500k 1 annual recovery. Not pitch, financial audit. Clear number. How much revenue leaving on table? Book today. First 20 portfolios analyzed free. Portfolio operates at 85% potential. Not weather or equipment, but 3 hidden revenue losses invisible to traditional monitoring. Inverter degradation, performance ratio errors, thermal anomalies. Recover 50% of lost profit with proven framework. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.